Hey Rockstars, how you doing? It's Phil here. I'm up here in the top right of your screen. Okay, so I have a free group at the moment. Now, at the moment, because I'm going to be charging for this as soon as it gets to 100 members. And I think we've only got a few to go. I'll show you in a second. Now, you're obviously part of this page, How to Sack the Boss. Now, I have a sister group. No, it's not a sister group. It's a group of the same name. Sorry, called How to Sack the Boss. Now, that's exactly what we're looking to do. We're looking to sort of help you create a second income online. Now, it's not some crap where I promise you $1 million overnight just by sitting in your pants eating Doritos. It's none of that nonsense, okay? These are small wins. I want to show you how to get your small win. But here's the thing, and this is the most important thing, okay? That I will show you how you can actually make money without money, okay? Now, to many, it might seem to be too good to be true, but listen, check it out. Check out my videos inside of the group. Now, I want to show you the group. Just bear with me a second. How to Sack the Boss. And as you can see, there you go, 88 members, okay? So we've got 12 members left. As soon as there we are, 88, okay? As soon as I get to 100 members, that's it. I'm shutting down free access, and it's going to be a paid group. Now, all the people inside of this group, if you're an action taker, okay, get certain benefits. If you're not an action taker, here's the thing. You'll be booted out of the group as fast as you join the group, okay? It's as simple as that. I don't suffer fools blindly. I can be quite direct. Why? Because sometimes people need a kick up the arse, all right? I've needed it in the past, and I know other people need it. So if you come into this group, fabulous. You're more than welcome, but you've got to take action. If you don't take action, I guarantee you, okay, in 48 hours, you will be booted out, all right? So if you want to join the group, yeah, if you want somebody to show you exactly what you need to do, just click on the link below, all right? If we've hit 100 members, unfortunately, I won't let you in. So the sooner you do it, the sooner you click on that link below, the sooner you get in. Speak to you soon.